Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Realme 3 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can insert SIM cards and SD card in Realme 3 Pro smartphone. In the left side of your phone, you will see a hole. Just use SIM ejector tool into the hole and the SIM tray will be coming out. Just take it out and keep your phone aside. See here in the SIM tray, you will have 3 slots. In the first 2 slots, you can put 2 nano SIMs, and in the third slot, you can put 1 micro SD card. In the first slot, I put 1 nano SIM. Similarly, in the second slot, I put another nano SIM. And in the third slot, I put 1 micro SD card. Now bring your phone and insert the SIM tray into the phone. Yes, 2 SIM cards are detected now. Also check for SD card location, whether SD card is mounted properly or not. Just go to the file manager. See here, SD card is mounted properly. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.